everybody, welcome back. It is Thursday, April the 9th. We have 2 parts for your workout today. Starting off for part A, we will be participating in the Support Your Local Box workouts. Today, we will be performing workout number 1. It is a 10-minute AMRAP. As many rounds in 10 minutes as possible of 10 air squats, 9 dumbbell snatches on the right arm, 10 push-ups, and 9 dumbbell snatches on the left arm. There is a prescribed version for this workout. Men should use a 50-pound dumbbell, women a 35-pound dumbbell. But you don't have to go prescribed to participate in this workout or in the event. You can use any object you have at home to do this workout. Dumbbell, kettlebell, even a barbell if that's all you have. For more information on the Support Your Local Box workouts, you can head over to games.crossfit.com. For part B today, we're going to wrap it up with 4 rounds for quality of some single arm or single leg movements. So we're going to start it off with 10 step-ups or lunges on the right side, 10 single arm Sots presses on the right side, and then 10 single arm bent rows on the right side. You will then do all of those same movements in that order on the left leg and then the left arm. These movements should all be weighted. You can hold the weight however you want to for the lunge, making sure that you're only performing on the single working leg of that set. And the single arm Sots press and bent row can be done with a kettlebell, dumbbell, or odd object. Good luck. Let us know how you did. We're excited to hear about it.